So, welcome to the demonstration of our new scraping model and which has an autonomous AI agent that can automatically publish the blog. So let us first run the UI. We use Chainlit to run our model. It is taking some time. Okay, so let's now first test our model. Okay, so now let's ask it to post a blog and also give the topic as uh, daily election news and also give it as sports news. Okay, so now until that happens, let me explain you the flow of the model. So in the flow of this model, first of all, let me tell you what we are doing in an overall way. So what happens is there is an autonomous AI agent that we have prepared, and it has some tools, and on the basis and it is using those tools to match our query and give us like you can see it here. It is matching our query and giving us these three parameters. So for that we have defined the logic here. First of all, the model tries to extract these parameters, but if the model is not able to extract them, we have written the hard coded codes for it. Like this is for the scraping process. This is for finding the location that is shown. Finding the location that is shown here, and then again here is for the topic, and then here is for the latest news. We haven't asked the latest news, therefore the latest news is currently false. For the latest news, let me show you the function. Sorry, for the topics, let me show you the function. So here, what is happening is, suppose we sometimes don't get the topics in a list of strings, so it is actually dividing the topic into list of strings. And also sometimes there can be some problem in location, so we have written a .csv file which can show us the whole location. Now after that the scraping starts on the basis of that. So we have defined different type of scrapers for different type of functionalities. One is the latest news scraper, because the latest news is false, so obviously this is not the one which is running. Another one is the location scraper, and one is the topic scraper. So the location scraper here is running specifically to Delhi, and it is giving us the look and it is giving us the news related to Delhi. And now again here are some query, and now there are some topic wise scrapers for which the topics are election and politics and sports that we have given. So what these are doing is we have selected different websites that like you can see it here, the India TV website, the NDTV website, the News 18 Cities website, and other websites for different type of scrapers from which the articles are being scraped. You can see it here, the number of articles that are being scraped are shown here. You can also see the logic of it. like for let us say India TV scraper, you can see that how we have written the logic. Like it is selecting a particular state and then scraping all the news related to it. Okay, now let us see whether the scrape now obviously the scraping process would take some time. Actually sometimes it could happen that some of the links are not able to run and there could be an error in scraping. So if there is an error in scraping, we can just continue the process, and which we can just continue the process. And now after let us wait for the scraping process to complete, and then let me explain you what happens after the scraping process. Now after the scraping is done, now we are coming for the topic wise scraping. uh, and in the topic wise scraping, now you can again see the code for that. We have looking at the code of India Express, where there is a topic list, and in the topic list we have specified election and politics and sports, for which it is searching the articles. And now the topic wise scraping has been done, and this has been done for from different news channels like Indian Express, Live Mint, and News 18 and Tribune, to be precise. And after the scraping would be done, we are selecting one news article from each of them, uh, because obviously we want some variety in our code. Then after the after the scraping, there is the post process results that would happen here in the post process here in the sorry, in the scrape and the process results. In scrape and process results, basically what we are doing is we are basically filtering the data and like giving it to our LLM, and it is producing the like it is understanding the news and producing a blog related to it. The blog would basically have the two fields, those two fields being our title and our content. Uh, that for the title and the content, then we are generating the blog for that. F- First of all, when we get those, there is the like the prompt that we are giving, and we are using Chatolama for that. Then after generating, after generating our after the getting the answer of the prompt, then we are addressing then we are convert then we are translating it. Suppose the user has given a translating language, suppose it could be English or it could be Hindi, then the blog is being translated into that. Then after the translation has occurred, after the translation, we are getting the translated blog, and the translated blog is now being published. We have used WordPress to publish our blog. Obviously it was paid, so we haven't made our site public, but it is available to us that we would be showing to you. Like you can see the WordPress site. For now it is consisting of these many blocks, and when our blocks would be published, you would see that these are being updated. uh, Currently the model is being running. When the blocks will be published, we would show you. So basically we are publishing five blocks, uh, and for that we are publishing five blocks, and for that the model is been converting them to like the five news, it is converting them to it is summarizing them. After the summarization of these five articles, these are being translated. It is taking some time to translate, and then these would be published. Okay, so they are currently in English, so they are not being translated. If we would have given some parameter for translating, then they would have been translated. And then you can see the post has been published. So when we would refresh the page, you could see there is a new post. Obviously, we have okay, so let us first see the post. So as you can see, the post has been published. And also we are publishing five posts in one prompt. So as you can see, if we would refresh it again, there are more posts available. So and that's how all the posts would be published. Currently, four posts are being published, and we are one is remaining. Okay, so it's done. So now we can go to the website and check for it for the final time that all the five posts are here that we have published by summarizing them. Thank you. And that was the working demonstration of our